Hey guys, welcome to Unicorn Gaming, a new series of episodes on my channel. Today we're playing Cat Mario, so Lego. What the hell happened? Oh my god, I don't I didn't understand any of that. So I guess, oh, it's just like regular Mario. Ooh, I killed it! Haha. Haha. Oh, I can't catch that. Guys, help me. Alright, so I'm just pushing it up. Oh! And I died. Boom. What the hell was that? Let me get that one. No, it's a monster! It's a monster! I died! Again! We're like 15 seconds in and I died again. Alright, so I'm gonna skip all of that. Ooh. The monster that had killed me from before came out. Haha! I made it! I made it! I don't trust that. What if this is like the other one? Yeah, so I don't trust it. Oh my freaking god, what the hell was that? What was that? What? Oh, was that a checkpoint? Yay! Oh, I got a star! What the hell? I just died again. 0 lives. Haha. Wait. No! No, why? I should have known. I really should have known. Ha 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 ha. No! It's there too! It's everywhere! I wish that. What is that? A fucking. Is that a fucking turtle? What is that? It did not fall. Did you guys see that? It didn't fall. No, no. Haha. It is a turtle. It's in the shell. Ho 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 ho. Yay! What? Oh no! Okay, this must be the hole I go through. No! What? I'm trapped. Someone help me. Can I die? Or, yeah. I have to start over again. Because I just died. You got that? I'm trying to be Miranda Sings. So how do I get the... Okay. Oh, so this one doesn't have... Okay. Boom. What the hell? What the hell? Let's try this again. Attempt. I don't freaking know. Boom. Wow. So guys, we're on attempt. Attempt 9. No. No. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. I'm not even gonna get past this level. See? See? It would be so cool if I did. Because this game is freaking impossible. This game is more unfair than Unfair Mario. No. I fell. That's not fair. Do-over. It takes so long for it to, like, go to this and start it over. Haha. Haha. No. Huh. Okay. Yeah. Did you see that? I was probably almost going too, because usually in regular Mario behind that wall, is that pole, that stripper pole? Is that what it is? I don't know what it is. I'm gonna call it a stripper pole. Cause him and his side thing Luigi be going down the pole. I ain't some bad jokes. No. Okay. Haha. Oh shit. Boom, boom, boom. I'm good at this game. Like, I am really good at this game. So, ha ha ha. Oh my god, run away! Okay, okay, and I'm gonna jump over them. No. Oh! Fuck yeah! Fuck yeah! No! What? Oh my god, what? What? What was that? I'm sorry to all the headphone users. I was about to make it. And this fucking thing came to... I don't think you could pass this game. I don't think you could beat this game at all. I think this game is rigged. You can't beat it. I mean, I couldn't even move at that point. So I just die. I did all that work just to die. Is there even a next level? MatPat, this game needs to be on Game Theories. MatPat! It'd be so funny if he just like stumbles around YouTube and finds my video. But that will never happen because I have like 9 subscribers. I'm so thankful for those 9 subscribers. I like want to like have more one day. You know, and start a campaign to feed the children. You know, end world hunger. Like that'll ever end. But yeah, that's sad. It's very sad. Very sad. No, 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 no! I tried to jump, and they came and beat me up. We doing this one more time. Alright, 3 more times until try 17. You guys saw me almost get it. I mean... Oh my freaking god. It's this fucking one over here. Looking like the fucking Joker with that fucking smile. Like, I mean, what the hell? Like, okay. So, ah! You know, fuck all of you. Fuck all of you. Look at that fucking turtle. What the fuck is that? Huh? What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? Your fucking... What is that? A face? A face? Why is your face gliding around the ground? Huh? Huh? I'm so aggressive. Ha. This is my last... Your last chance. My last chance. If you know that song, I pray for you. Oh, fucking no. They're all coming to jump me. No, no. See, I can't win. I couldn't move. I couldn't move. That's it. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. Done, 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 done. All right, guys. This is the end of the first episode. So, like, subscribe. Share. Tell your friends to subscribe. Tell your friends' friends to subscribe. Tell your parents and your grandparents and your grandparents' parents' grandparents to subscribe. Bye.